Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. The first trading week of October will start with the following macroeconomic releases. Euro traders will eye on Germany's retail sales report for August, picking it from the stream of statistics. The previous report that showed a decline in consumers' purchasing power disappointed markets. Analysts had expected a downward swing, but had thought it would be less significant. Moreover, the preceding reading was revised down. Then the data aligned with the reports about slowing inflation in the euro area prompted widespread euro sell-offs. The euro-dollar pair lost more than 80 pips. This time, inflation data will be unveiled in a separate report, thus having less influence on markets. According to experts, retail sales are likely to grow by 0.5% on a monthly basis and will advance by 1.6% year-on-year. If the forecasts are met, the euro could take advantage of the situation and take an upward correction. After that, investors will evaluate the effectiveness of Donald Trump's attempts to revamp the manufacturing sector of the United States. The data on the Index of Business Activity will be published by the Institute of Supply Management. Analysts are extremely pessimistic, just like they had been earlier. The forecast had assumed a decrease to 57.7, while the report showed that the index grew above expectations and also hit the highest score for the past 14.5 years. Traders as well as analysts ignored the strong figures and did not benefit from the positive data. At the time, the market had a more significant reason for selling the dollar: the escalation of the trade crisis between the United States and China. For the same reason, the ISM report with a more significant influence on the American economy went unnoticed. It's the Index of Business Activity in the non-manufacturing sector. A similar report for September is due on Wednesday. The indicator for the previous reporting period turned out to be higher than the experts' forecasts. Analysts predict a decline in the indicator in September. If the actual data prove to be better than the forecast, the market can react positively to the news, which could help the dollar to rise in value. In addition to these events, it's worth paying attention to the following publications. The flow of macroeconomic releases will start on Sunday with the official reports from China. This will be the manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI figures. Same type reports regarding the manufacturing sector in Europe will come on Monday. A report on unemployment in the euro area will also be disclosed. The Eurogroup meeting will also be closely watched. Recently, politics has played a significant role in forming trade sentiment. The most important event on Tuesday is the meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia. Markets expect that the rates will remain unchanged at the same level and that the representatives of the central bank will once again confirm their commitment to continue the soft monetary policy, especially in the context of the development of the US-China trade conflict. On Wednesday, investors will learn about the trends in the key sector of the British economy, the services sector, and the United States will provide a ADP report on the change in the number of employed people in the private sector. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.